Hey, hey. Beautiful day in the woods in Vermont. Just like Narnia. Look at the snow. It's amazing. Trees are all leaned over. My house is that way. There's the main drag. And there's the old cam. Wow. Hemlock, one of my favorite trees. Most of my house is made out of hemlock. Here's my barn. Cedar hedge. Maple. It's like Narnia. It's amazing. Truly. Alrighty, folks. Off to the next stop. Up around the bend. Here we are at the next stop. Not a single track today. They're all hunkered down. Oh, I'm out of shape. Jeez. Walking through a foot of snow. Seems to take the wind out of this old fool. Truly something else up here. Alright, guys. Cam number 2. Ready to roll. Yeah, I'll walk you out of the woods after I turn this on. Alrighty. Main drag is right down there. Just left my cam on that one. Little plateau right here. Then you go up around the bend here, and there's another plateau right up top, right there. Summertime, there's lots of ferns here. The deer seem to like to eat them for some reason. Good. Sorry guys, trying to watch where I walk too. Booby traps. Beautiful. Use that tree right there quite often too. My game cam. I point it down the trail. Right here. Seen a lot of moms and fawns. Fox and coyote right here. You can even hear the snowplow coming. It's right here somewhere. There she goes. Yep, find it amazing that the wildlife is so close. It's great. Lots of acreage back that direction. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Henry Leslie's Vermont's Game Cam. Walk in the woods.